my name is Noah. I'm here today to show you a project you can do at home for Science Literacy Week. Have you ever heard of DiscoverE before? We're a not-for-profit organization based out of the Faculty of Engineering at the University of Alberta. Our goal is to engage youth with fun, hands-on projects related to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Today, we are going to walk you through a challenge that helps us learn about new structures inside and outside of animals that help engineers design new technologies. Let's get started. Look around you. Lots of objects you see are designed by engineers. Did you know that lots of objects are inspired by things in nature? For example, Velcro. Velcro has a hook side and a loop side to help things stick together. Velcro was invented because an engineer was hiking when he noticed that the cockleburrs plants were sticking to his clothes, and he wondered how they were doing that. He noticed that the cockleburrs were covered in little hooks that hooked onto his clothes, and he uses that as inspiration to make Velcro. Engineers not only look to plants for inspiration, but to animals too. In Japan, they have these really fast trains called bullet trains, and they're so fast that they build up a pocket of air in front of them when they're going through a tunnel that makes a big loud boom when they exit. This is because the front of the train was flat. One day, an engineer came along and he noticed that a kingfisher could dive into the water without making that much of a splash. So he wondered what would happen if he applied that same principle of the kingfisher's pointy head to the front of the bullet train, making the head of the train pointy like the beak of the kingfisher. They found that with the new design, the train no longer made a big boom when it exited the tunnel. It also saved them a lot more energy because the train was much more aerodynamic. Not only are engineers inspired by the shape of animals, but also the inside of animals. The bones of a bird's wing are hollow, same with the inside of a bird's feathers, to make them more lightweight. Similarly, the wings on a plane are also hollow, and they also take on the same shape as a bird's wing. This helps give the wings lift and remain light at the same time. Today we are going to be taking some inspiration from nature to help us improve an object. For this activity, you'll need the following materials. Since it's a free design challenge, you can use any materials found in your home. Some examples of materials you can use are scissors, white glue, paper, popsicle sticks, cotton balls, yarn, and recyclable materials. Think of something in your house that you would like to improve on. Think of something in nature that may have characteristics that you can use to improve it. So maybe you could make a toy car faster. Maybe you could modify a paper airplane to make it fly longer. Or maybe you could improve a sail on a boat to catch more wind. You have now completed the nature-inspired free design. To reflect on what we've learned, think about the following questions. What objects in your house do you think are inspired by something in nature? What other objects could you improve on using inspirations from nature? What was easy about this activity? What was challenging about this activity? What did you like most about this activity? What is something new you have learned from this topic? And what is something you would like to know more about? Thank you so much for watching.